Oh my god. Oh shit. So I asked my spirit guides to show me and us something meaningful. That was the intention this morning. I'm doing it a little differently today. Yesterday in the cafe I only used the glasses and my arms, but now I started the day using the headset as a pendulum on the map on my phone. So I'm walking towards that spot, and it looks like it's along the riverside. So we'll see. So how do I feel about this? Well, these days I don't know if it's a cold, but I will had a little cold, and I flied, and I can't hear anything because my ears haven't popped yet, so I'm not feeling very well. And I'm not sure we're gonna see anything. It's like, to me, it feels like a 50-50 right now. So the intention is to see something meaningful, not just for me, but for you, the viewer. So I left it really, really open. But maybe something to inspire us, or yeah, something meaningful. What I didn't do today, what I will do in the future, is when I plan this out on the map, we'll also ask if there's a specific time I should be there. You know, I read once, I don't know if it's true, but I think it was Sanaya, Suzanne Giesman Guides, who wrote, and this is from my memory, okay? Something about if you knew how much work was put into synchronicities. So maybe, this might be stupid, maybe by asking if there's a specific time I should be there, I could make it easier for them to arrange these synchronicities. So we have the time and we have the place. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe a stupid idea. I don't know. As you can see here, we're going there along the river, and we are here now. And if I don't see it immediately, I'll use my glasses as a pendulum to point in the right direction, because the dowsing on the map is not very accurate. Maybe in a radius of 100 meters or 200 meters or something. Okay. Now it says turn left down here, and it's supposed to be close to that bridge. No, but of course we're gonna find something, if we find something that already existed, right? So it's not gonna be a burning bush or something. Let's walk up this path. Oh my god, it's a dead bird. That's not what we're looking for. Oh no, is it dark? It swings. It's caught in the net somehow. Oh my god. Kind of a dark place, a scary place. It's a river. I don't think that dead bird It looks like it was caught in this leg, that's what it's called, in sort of a wire or something, and I'm just hanging there. What is this? Some sort of painting. Also kind of dark. I'll use my glasses. Is it under this bridge? That's no. Is it straight ahead? No. Is it forward? Yes. Okay. I think I maybe just found it. Oh my god. Oh shit. That is meaningful. Oh my god. You ready? So it's there's something to this, believe me. Okay, I'll explain. But it's this tunnel, the concrete in the middle of this path here. And I'm gonna ask you to read the letters in the roof.